In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents using Microsoft Word. For this example, I'm using a pre-existing document that I have. Since I want my table of contents to appear before the actual document, I'm going to insert a new page to put the table of contents on. To do that, I'm going to left-click on Insert on the top ribbon and say Blank Page. Now I have a blank page to put my table of contents. When I insert the table of contents, it will start at where the cursor is currently located in the document. So I want to make sure that I have my cursor up here in the very top of the document. To insert my table of contents, I'm going to come over to References. And on the left-hand side under Table of Contents, if I left-click, there's a drop-down menu. There's an automatic table or a manual table. For this example, I'm going to use an automatic table. And I can see if I use Table 1, it says Contents. Using Table of 2, it says Table of Contents. That's what I want it to be. So as I can see, it's generated my table of contents along with the page number in the document. Once I have generated my table of contents, I can manually make changes and edits if I wanted to. If I were to add pages, chapters, or titles to this document, I would simply click the Update Table. For example, if I scroll all the way down to the bottom of it, I can move my cursor here. Under the Home option at the top of the program, I can come down here and say Heading 1, and type in something that I wanted to add to the table of contents. By clicking on Heading 2, I could say Chapter 4, or 5, or whatever I wanted it to say. Once I've added the information I want, I simply go back to the top of my document, and under Table of Contents, say Update Table. And here I can update the entire table and say OK. You can see what I've added using the headings now shows up in the table of contents.